Hello, how you doing today? Welcome to another episode of TDM Eskimo Mobile, your mobile tech guy. So today I want to talk about Android desktops. I myself have a Samsung Dex, as you can see here. There's the Motorola Smart Connect and the Android desktop from the Google Pixel phone. And with Google coming out with the Googlebook, we know it's going to do Android applications. So let's dig into this. And this isn't for those who already know. This is for those who don't know and want to know. So if we go here, we have recent, home, and your back, just like on your phone navigation. Here you have Finder and apps, and if you click on it, you see all the apps that are installed on my phone here. These are quick launchers here. You can have up to 5 quick launchers. This here is accessibility, a screen capture, your sound, your notifications, and here it's called quick settings. And then we have the calendar. And just like a Mac or a Windows or a Linux operating system, here's the desktop. So let's check out this Finder for 1 second here. So in Finder, you can not only just get some of the suggested apps that you might be looking for, but also if you were to look for an application, a document, this here's a document in my folder. Also shows some of the set-in ones, that if you're looking for a set-in. Something in my Samsung Notes, but also searching the gallery. I went and searched YouTube. Some modes and routines. The Galaxy Store searched. So this one here I want to show you in particularly. So I created this document with this application. So if you're looking for a document and you know what application you want, you can quickly and easily get to it. So back to the desktop. This here is a widget. This is a unique kind of widget that I prefer to use because it's called stacks, and you have multiple widgets in the stacks. And I can add more if I want to. And these are some of the widgets that I can add. Now it will filter out widgets that you can't use in a stack. But these are only ones that I want. And you just swipe. So I like that feature. Wallpapers. Self-explanatory, just like a Windows or a Mac desktop, you can do wallpapers. So to create a folder of applications, just take one and put it on the desktop. Well, that's a whole bunch. and you just start adding them, combining them together. Here we go. I almost had it. But that's what you got to do. Then you give your folder a name. You can add all the applications you want. But also, so these are mine for media, for my Office applications. This one I created for the video. This is an app. I sometimes use it. But this here is that document that I showed. And if you click on it, it brings you to here again. And as you can see, it's intuitive, so when you click on it, it'll bring you to the right application needed to use. Hello, how you doing today? Welcome to another episode. So, when you create a folder on your DeX desktop, you can mix it with documents, media like pictures and video, and apps. So let's talk about the apps themselves for a second. You click on here, that arrow going down, you can snap to the left, snap to the right, then send it to another display. Now if I do that, you won't be able to see it, so I'm not going to do that. Here's the minimize, maximize, full screen. Now these are different than what you might find on an Android desktop from a Pixel or from Motorola's Smart Connect. So I know these last four will be just for Samsung DeX. Full screen. Now full screen here is more like a tablet view, in that if you hover your mouse to the top, you get the status bar back. If you hover your mouse to the bottom, you get the taskbar back. And so maximize is different in that you still have the taskbar on the bottom and the application or the title bar on the top still visible. It's not gone anymore. So that is a little different, maybe a little bit different than Smart Connect or the Pixel Android desktop. So, just a quick video. Thank you and have a nice day.